what's up with y'all boys, man? I want to give y'all a Saturday afternoon POV. You dig? I'm finna go to my little cousin game. It's like a little 10 AU game. I say 10 AU, but 10 on the game. It's like a little league game. You already know. You gotta support your family, man. The next generation, you gotta support, man, for real. I'm just starting a video off with positivity. Y'all boys, man. If you ain't got nothing going on in your life, get something going in your life. You dig? Oh man, that just remind me of my Mustang. But I ain't had a convertible though. But yeah, man, it's Saturday afternoon. I just want to give y'all like a little POV right now. As y'all can see, y'all can see the time. But I think it's like 1 o'clock right now. And the destination is going, well, this destination gonna take about 32 minutes. So give y'all a little cruise right quick, man. I just cleaned the Scat up today. It looking nice too. Scat looking beautiful today. And it's raining like, this rain be crazy, bro. Like on the whole forecast, it said it's gonna be sunny the whole weekend. I checked this morning, it said it's gonna be raining. I'm like, man, this is crazy, bro. This water is crazy. All right, so y'all, I got some bad news. Got bad news for y'all boys, man. I know y'all wanted me to get the mid muffler deleted and all that, but I was doing my research, right? Yeah, you flying in the Mustang. I was doing my research and I was looking on YouTube, cause y'all know my car got an active exhaust. Like the Scat pads come with the active exhaust. So they was saying if you cut it, the engine light will come on. So I was like, I mean, y'all hear the active exhaust right there though, but I was like, man, if I cut it, I don't want that engine light to come on. And then I watched one video, the dude, he was saying like if you cut it, like multiple other things can go wrong. That's why they put an active exhaust right there for some reason or something like that. But I decided I'm not gonna cut it. What I might do is get like a whole new exhaust and just put it up on there. I know they're gonna be like a lot of money, but if I get a whole new exhaust, it'll sound louder than a mid muffler delete. So it'll be kind of like a win-win, but not a win-win for my pockets though. Shit, my pockets gonna be gone, but shit, hey, y'all boy gotta like the video so the video can be pushed out, man, so I can get y'all more content like this. Y'all see what I'm saying? Is that the road or my car? Okay, I think that was the road. I hope it was just the road. It sounded like a little bumpy or something. But yeah, man, I just want to give y'all some content today, man. Let me know how y'all Saturday going right now. I don't know, man. Hey, keep grinding, keep being successful, keep doing what you're doing. Nah, for real. I told y'all every time y'all watch my videos, I want y'all to get motivated, for real. Be the best you can be. Nah, for real. Hey, y'all hear that? Hey, my car kind of sound like a cat though. You just heard that whine though. It's not even in sport, for real. Hold on. Oh, we got the Hemi over here too. We got the Hemi over here too. I ain't been anywhere in so long. I don't like riding on this street either. As y'all can see, man, we kind of got like some Saturday traffic for real. So POV ain't gonna be as smooth as I want it to be, but giving y'all content either way it go. And still talking to y'all for real. But yeah, man, and other things I'm gonna do to the car, I'm gonna put some stuff on the hood for real, like the decals and all that. I mean, a decal wrap, whatever you wanna call it, but I'm gonna have like the black on the hood. Then I don't know about having it going like all the way to like my roof, but I'm still thinking about that. I wanna get another steering wheel too, cause I saw a steering wheel with the thing on the top. I don't know, it tell you like, you know, the miles per hour and all that you going. So I want to get a steering wheel with the miles per hour on top and all that, the little stuff right there. And yeah, give me a steering wheel that say a Scat logo or something like that. I mean, I don't know, I just want to, like, you know, customize it for real. And then have like some lights going up at the front. I know somebody that can do the lights for real. I really ain't be having time for real. Y'all know I be working, so then on the weekend I be doing like other stuff. And then I be making the videos too, so when I have time, you know, I'm gonna just put it in the shop for real. Or give it all to them, and then let them do their thing. Then I'm gonna record it for y'all, boy, let y'all see it. Anything I do to the car, y'all gonna know, cause I'm gonna record it each and every time. Cause I know y'all like seeing that type of content. I was gonna do the mid muffler delete, but I got some bigger and better coming. So y'all boy, be on the watch out. Be on the watch, for real. I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys, I was gonna get a Chrysler 300, but I like, man, I don't know, it probably for the old heads for real, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I like, man, let me go ahead and get it. It was either out of Camaro or Scat pack. I decided to go Scat. Y'all know me, I like my two-door vehicle, so I was thinking about getting like a Charger. I was like, nah, I kind of like that layer room that you got in the Challenger. So I like, yeah, man, let me go ahead get the Challenger Scat pack, you know, and it was just on from there, man. And it's still, hey, this just the beginning. Y'all, hey, most definitely, this just the beginning right here. I'm gonna get some, man, my next stuff that I'm gonna get. It's something y'all ain't gonna never see on YouTube. Well, y'all probably saw it on YouTube, but like, not too many people in the community, car community that, well, not too people in the community that I'm in had this type of car that I'm trying to get. Look, he trying to, oh, he got a headlight, that bit hard. He got the LED headlights. He'll change color type shit. Yeah, man, let me know how y'all weekend been going, how y'all.
In 10 miles, take exit 74 onto Lithonia Industrial Boulevard.
She just gonna cut me off. Let me take that phone call right quick. But yeah, man, I had to take that phone call right quick. I'm back with it. Y'all see we like 20 minutes away right now. Hey, man, I love my Scat pack though, bro. Like, you gotta get you a car that like bring joy to your life. Like, I mean, it sound like a motivational speaker. Hey, do it make you feel happy for real, bro. Like, you only gonna live once. Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Work hard and get that, and then like feel happy about it for real. Just do you in life. Y'all boys some advice for real, man. Like, they ain't put joy on my face each and every day. We transition to Mexico. We got in Mexico fast. But yeah, man, they gonna do it for this video, man. I just wanna give y'all some content, some word of advice, some motivation, man. You know how I do it. You know how I kick it. You know how I rock it. Let me stop bullshit. But yeah, man, y'all boy, like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Like the video, cause they help me out in the algorithm. And it helped me grow for real, man. But yeah, y'all boy, hey, man, stay on your grind, stay consistent. Like I say, like I always say, every video, down there, every video, man. Stay on your grind. And yeah, man, like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's get it.
My nigga, I'm glad you said this.